have a very special evening ahead of us. And before I say anything else, we are going to begin auspiciously by singing His Holiness Karmapa's An Aspiration for the World.
World we live and die on your lap, on you we experience all our woes and joys.
Tonight we are celebrating a very special event, the 21st birthday of His Holiness Orgyen Trinley Dorje, the 17th Gyalwa Karmapa. Aspiration of His Holiness Karmapa. From the center of a surging billow of great clouds of auspiciousness falls down the honey rain that brings virtue and goodness to all times. Through its moistening the vastness of the earth's extent, may the sweet vital grains of happiness come to full bloom. Blessed by the name of Nalanda, the great Dharma community of yore in the noble land of India, may this Sangha of Bodhi as well for a long time remain as a field of merit for the teachings and being.
Our appearance emptiness, the enlightened form of the Guru. All sounds resound as sound and emptiness, the supreme speech of the Guru.
Good evening, and welcome everyone this evening to Nalanda West. Tonight is a very special evening for us because we are celebrating the 21st birthday of His Holiness, the 17th Gyalwa Karmapa. And this is not only celebrating individual birthday of master in our lineage, but we are celebrating the birth of the Karmakagyu lineage.
Rinpoche, with your permission, if I may offer this toast. I would first like to say how wonderful it is to be here in this mandala, which is the expression of the union of Mahamudra and Dzogchen. And to be able to raise this toast to His Holiness, 17th Karmapa, who is the embodiment of the union of Mahamudra and Dzogchen, to His Holiness and his long life and Buddha activity.
It follows that there is no relationship between Madhyamaka and Mahamudra.
This is not the case.
It follows that there is a relationship between Madhyamaka and Mahamudra.
Sure.
Sure.
The relationship is mutually exclusive. Gyalwa.
Oh. Therefore, if it is the union of For 3 kayas in the present moment of mind, it must entail a conceptual fabrication.
Well, that's what you said. I said freedom from extremes.
Aha.
Rinpoche, with your permission, I would like to offer a poem called Advice from Me to Myself in honor of His Holiness's birthday. This is a poem which is modeled after a poem of the same title by the great Dzogchen master Patrul Rinpoche. And if you aren't familiar with Patrul Rinpoche's poem, you can Google it, Advice from Me to Myself, and it's...
Maho, unimpeded awareness of enlightened activity, perfect guru, knower of the 3 times, never leave the crown of my head. I float on the wind of breath through hot froth, irritating love, past the Martinelli's cider. Lion of Dharma, your thunderous presence shakes our hearts awake. Blazing fire, burning true, remain always. Happy birthday.
This happy experience song by a yogi carefree and offered to Karmapa is for you who believe in what you're doing here, to take along with you when you go.
I would like to make the aspiration that may His Holiness, the 17th Gyalwa Karmapa, visit the United States, Canada, and all over the world. And especially to Nalanda West.